Hi, I'm Anthony from Pest Protection Plus, and today we're going to talk to you about bait selection when it comes to your Humane wildlife trap set. Based on the animal that we're trying to target, we will select the appropriate bait for this capture. So our main go-to would be canned fish or sardines specifically. This is a great tool to use for raccoon traps, skunks, and possums. In addition to the fish, you could also add something sweet like marshmallows or jam if we're specifically trying to capture a skunk. If we're looking more towards a groundhog capture, we'll use something sweet like applesauce or canned corn. And again, all of these baits, or the bait that we select, will be placed in the rear of the trap. We'll secure the bait to the rear, reinstall our release door, lock it in place, and finally set our trap cover. If you've liked the content that you've witnessed here today, please hit subscribe at the bottom of the page.